So a bag contains hundreds of colored tennis balls. That's a lot of tennis color balls. And Cecilia picked 40 balls at random. And the table shows the outcomes we have. Given this information, we are supposed to complete the table and then use the table to work out if she picked additional 200 balls, how many pink balls should we expect to be picked. So we're going to start working backwards. If you remember, relative frequency is always the frequency over the total number of frequency. So the frequency of red over 40 balls gives us 0.2. So let's call this R. So we are going to make a simple equation. R divided by 40 should equal to 0.2. So relative frequency. Now can we work out R? We multiply both sides by 40. That means that 8 red balls were picked. So we know R is now 8. Knowing that R is 8 and knowing that we picked 40, we can now work out what is missing for yellow. Because yellow will be 40 minus 10 minus 18 minus 8. Or we add 10, 18, and 8 and take away from 40. That will give us the number of yellow balls that were picked. So to work out yellow, just 40 minus 10 plus 18 plus 8 into bracket. And that gives us 4. So we know yellow is 4. Now, knowing that yellow is 4, we can now work out the relative frequency. So it's 4 out of 40, which is the same as 0.1. We are leaving our answer as a decimal because the initial question was given in decimal. That's why I'm putting this also in decimal. Now, let's work out the next one, which is pink, is 10 out of 40, 0.25. Then green, 18 out of 40, 0.45. And you can double check, add 0.25, 0.1, 0.45, 0.2. It must equal to 1. Now, having completed this, we are supposed to work out how many pink balls should we expect to be picked out of 200 balls. Picking a pink out of 40 balls was 0.25. We're going to use this one to scale up our answer. So it's 0.25 times the number of trials. So probability, relative frequency of pink, which is the same probability, times it by 200. That's 0.25 times 200. And that will give us 50 pink balls. It's expected to be picked out of 200 balls. And that brings us to the end of our lesson 2. Look forward to lesson 3. We're going to talk about sample space diagram. Lesson 3, sample space diagram. Share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching.